Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to add songs to your Spotify playlist. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open the Spotify app on your device and tap on the library in the bottom right corner. After opening the library, you should see the option, Playlist, in the upper left corner. Tap on it to create a playlist. It will then ask you to name your playlist, and you can type any name you prefer for your playlist. Now hit the Create button and that's it. You can now add music to this playlist by tapping on the Add to this playlist button, and a drop-down menu will appear with all the music on Spotify. You can also search for any song you would like to add to this playlist. All you have to do is to just tap on the plus icon right next to the songs, and the music will be added to your playlist just like that. Now as you can the songs are added to your playlist, and you can enjoy this feature anytime. That's it for today's tutorial, and if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.